flight. Yeah, then we be gone for some days. It's about to chase some paper. I be gone for some days. I hope that you.
What's going on, y'all? You don't get this shower. What's up, Call Harley? Look at these. I want to see how they do it. I can't have them cars just bouncing on top of my head like that. Cause they got one on top of his head. Look, y'all. Y'all want to see my load? Here. I guess I'll show it to y'all. Man, that load we was riding last night, y'all. They put me on a freaking night shift because I had to freaking wait to my freaking trailer come across the border because I picked up in D-Roy, Texas. It was so freaking hot. So they threw me on a night shift and I had to freaking make me a parking spot last night. So I gotta enjoy my daylight while I can. Y'all wanna see the other side too, huh? They send me to a state that I don't want to go to. Comment down below. Pause the video right now and comment what state y'all think I'm going to. I'm gonna give y'all a hint. You can't go with 55 miles an hour or you go see them red and blue lights behind you. I don't want to go. And it's a freaking multi-stop load. I'm like, man, they sent it to me. And it's gonna be some traffic. Don't want to sit in no traffic. But I'm going to a city that I ain't never been to in that state, so. Look, y'all, go a blue beacon. Should I get my truck washed? Nah, I ain't getting my truck washed. Oh, man. Yeah. Gonna get the shower over here in El Paso. Hopefully the showers are here. But you never know about these petrols. They have, look at this. El Paso. Oh my gosh, man. Now can I air in the building? Come on. I gotta walk all the way over there. Look at the freaking showers. That freaking shower closet. Alright. Welcome to paradise. Y'all can tell I went through some bugs. Look at that. You know what? I got 2 of these bad boys. Got my gloves. It's hard doing the one hand, y'all just don't know. Gotta get the other side. I got a question for y'all. Why do the deaf got a freaking hose like that? Why can't it be just like this? Normal. Drop a comment, let me know, y'all. I always done that. Y'all, I'm in freaking Arizona. And it feel like I'm in freaking Boomland somewhere. Black Cat fireworks stand somewhere, man. It's so hot out here, y'all. Y'all don't believe me? Hold on. What that say, y'all? 112 degrees dust. We done made it, y'all, to our first drop. It's gonna be a freaking hospital. So look, I'm already saving people's lives. Well, helping save people's lives. Okay. Getting unloaded, y'all. Okay, y'all see my truck over there, right? I'm right here. Can y'all believe I just dropped at a freaking Porsche dealership? Y'all see it in the back. I feel accomplished. Y'all see the blue beam. You don't get this type of stuff every day. I'm in LA. Lambo. It's a once in a lifetime experience, y'all. I gotta show y'all. So I had to show y'all. If I can see it, y'all can see it, okay? Y'all don't know, man. It feels so good out here. I just don't know. Get into trucking, y'all. I'm telling y'all, get into trucking. Oh, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, y'all. Yeah, I'm finna get unloaded when they get ready. They gotta get. We done made to our last stop. Last stop. They gotta get all situated. So I gotta take y'all somewhere. Show y'all something. Look how peaceful that look out there, y'all. This is what I'm trying to get to, y'all. I'm trying to get somewhere like to be able to live in a big city and just come outside and just watch stuff like this. Look, I gotta show y'all again. The end. And that's what I want. That's why I try to get me and my lady somewhere stable, so we won't have to worry about no bills or nothing. And eventually, if we ever have kids, I don't want our kids to be able to like live in the same environment that I had to live in too. Try to make a better way for my future and my kids. Y'all see behind me. San Francisco, California. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Actually, y'all know what? I'm gonna put this video out today, cause it's currently 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna give it to you. I got y'all. Until next time, y'all. 21 gang is out.